This is Oliver. He's Oliver number 2.
Just go in. Yes, sir. And he does his grooming here every day. He didn't used to like the paw pal. Now, you know the paw pal, Oliver's paw pal, which was invented because of Oliver's predecessor, Oliver number 1. So every day we go through the normal grooming. I do a little hair, does his coat, and I do his coat here. He's always a good dog. And we do his ears, which is part of the daily grooming, because you gotta get all the stuff out if there's anything here. You see this little bit here. So we go through that. And then comes Oliver's paw pal, which, as you'll see from another clip, he used to hate when he saw it the first time. But just like any other dog, they will get used to this instrument. And here, the magnifier, as part of his daily grooming, is doing his nail. Come a little closer to the camera so you can see what's happening. Very good. Nail number 2. Nail number 3. And look at Oliver. I hope you can see his face as well, because he's completely happy about this here. And I can look through the magnifier. Some people want to do it like this, and that's what we have the pivot for, where you put the paw in this way here. But in this, I always use it this way. And with the bridge and with the roller, Oliver's nail has been filed down, and guess where the dust goes? Not in your eyes, not into the environment, into the dust container. Oliver's paw pal. And this is what every dog owner should do with their dogs: turn the regular care of their nails not into a painful clipping once every 3 months or once a month, but something that you do once a week and have fun with it. We do it every day because he likes it every day. That's why we call it Oliver's paw pal.